right, bring it down easy. Watch the hydraulics. Okay, set it, lock it in place.
Check the frame section at the wing root. Report says station 42.
Got it. This is the primary hard point. Marking it now.
All right, ease the tension on that coil.
Copy that. Making sure the shackles are secure before the lift.
Keep pushing, it's almost through the bracket. Watch the hook, don't scratch the plating. We're clear on this side, keep going.
Okay, stop the winch. We're aligned on the forward point. Confirmed alignment. The load is settling. All units, confirm rigging secure. Take the slack out simultaneously now. Roger. Tension increasing on my mark.
The synchronized 800-ton cranes manage the dead weight, lifting the Mriya just enough to clear the massive 200-wheel trailer waiting below.
Confirmed contact, cables are slack.
All right, team, move in now. Secure the forward chains.
Approaching the gate. Confirm all clear.
Affirmative. Gate is secure. Come on through.
All right, she's perfectly centered.
Copy that. Bring the scaffolding to the starboard side first.
This is control to all units. Begin vertical ascent.
Roger. Ascent initiated. Tension holding steady.
Torque released. The shackle is free. Confirmed. Let's move these cables clear.
The cranes are clear. Start erecting the scaffolding on the wing.
Roger that. Watch your footing up there. The aircraft is stable.
Move the lift up slowly. Ensure the seams are completely covered before proceeding.
All right, final pass on the fuselage.
Water pressure holding steady. All right, easy now. Bring it down another 2 meters.
Copy that. Coming down slowly.
Look at the state of this spar. We're gonna need the induction heater.
Yeah, these bolts aren't moving otherwise. Set it up.
The gantry crane successfully lifts the massive port wing, revealing the corroded internal structure of the wing box.
All right, easy on the hydraulics, keep it steady. Clear on the starboard side, watch the clearance.
I'm disconnecting the glide slope indicator now.
All right, make sure the harness is tagged clearly.
Steady now, steady. There she goes. Clear flow into the collector. Keep watching that pressure gauge.
This newly primed section ensures the internal structure is fully protected against future corrosion.
All right, lift sequence initiated. Watch the starboard side clearance. Roger that, coming up slowly.
The clearance on this blade looks good, but double check the torque settings.
Roger that. Recalibrating now. Make sure the torque is set to 25 inch-pounds on that gauge.
Confirmed. The wiring harness for the standby display is secure.
Watch the clearance on the edge.
Almost there, keep it steady.
Okay, bring it down 5 centimeters.
Copy that, 5 centimeters down.
Watch the starboard spar clearance.
Check the torque value on the readout.
Confirmed. Reading is green. Alignment perfect.
Okay, slow descent. Watch the alignment pins. Got it. Looks good. Send her home. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the pylon. Looks good from here. Steady. Torque wrench engaged. Securing bolts now.
The precision required for the Mriya's nose cone is unparalleled. The alignment rig ensures a perfect seal.
Torque wrench engaged on the upper hinge bolts. Setting confirmed. All right, begin the range of motion test. Smooth travel indicated.
Continuity confirmed. Engaging ground power now.
Copy that. Power surge stabilizing, all indicators green.
We are live.